What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Hepco and Becker Extreme guards. Hepco and Becker offers a variety of guards for the Tenere 700. First off, we have the standard tank and engine guard combination. If you haven't seen our video on that, it's in the card above. And then we have the Extreme guard here. Now, the Extreme guard is a beefed up version of the Hepco and Becker tank guard, and it is not compatible with the engine guard, but not really a big deal. The amount of surface area this bad boy covers is absolutely insane. The Extreme guard also has 5 connection points to make it more rigid, as well as an additional connection point up front to help disperse the force from impacts a little better, which means your bike is going to stay protected for longer because it's able to handle those big drops, those big crashes a little bit better. Now, this guard only comes in one colorway, which is black. So if you want a different colorway, you'll have to go with the standard Hepco and Becker tank and engine guards. But those are fantastic pieces of kit as well. Now, this Extreme guard is one bad mamma jamma. So without further ado, let's show you how to install it, show you what it looks like, and show you what it can do. we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.